Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to change language on World of Tanks game. So after you install the game, now go to the library section on Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see language option under general. It's already selected as English. Here you can change whatever language you want. There are various languages. Just for example, simply select French and then restart your PC once and you will find the game language is changed to French. So if you want to change the game language once again back to English, again come back under library section, select your game, and under general here you have to select English, and after that restart your PC once and then the language will be changed to English as before. So by this way you can easily change the language from English to any other language and revert back to English again on World of Tanks game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.